yourself some large and small plastic cups. Grab a barbecue skewer and carefully push it through the big cups to get started. Pop out that skewer and put the smaller cups inside as you drive the skewer through the whole batch. You can get crafty and add a little food coloring to the bottom of each one. Now fill the entire thing with water, getting each cup to an equal level, and then place it in the freezer for a couple hours after centering the small cups. Once you're done, remove the skewer and use the warmth of your hands to heat up the sides for quick removal. This is fantastic if a random friend stops by and you want to enjoy a nice cold beverage in the heat. Grant's fault. Do you order a lot of packages and keep the packing materials around? If you have a cardboard box, you can turn it right into a cooler. Just measure out the dimensions and then cut out some leftover bubble wrap to fit inside. You don't have to be precise here, but try and get as close as possible, and then wrap your cutouts in aluminum foil. Once everything's wrapped up, just slip it right into the box, add a few beverages, and then dump in some ice. A styrofoam cooler of this size costs about $20. This costs about $2. If you do the math, that's about 90% savings for about 10 minutes of work. Enjoy. Let's talk ice block. Wait, wrong genre. Maybe your fridge has no ice maker. Ice blocks can be just as effective, and you can make one overnight. Grab a medium-sized plastic container and fill it up with water. Sticking to the theme, I added a little food coloring to give it a nice blue color. Stick that puppy right in the freezer and go about your business. Once it's done, just pull it out of the freezer, tug at the container from both sides, and then loosen that ice and dump it out on a hard surface. Oh wow, I guess I didn't add enough food coloring, but hey, that's okay, it'll still work. Toss it in a cooler and add your drinks around it. You'll find that it's just as effective as cubed ice, so give it a shot and save some cash. Now it may sound old school, but setting a bowl of ice cubes in front of a rotating fan can actually mimic the effect of an air conditioner. Fill a tray with ice and add a little bit of water if you want an occasional spray of liquid that'll make you feel like you're at a fancy spa. Now place it in front of a fan. It creates a wind chill effect in the air that's cooler than the rest of the room, and it'll spot cool any area or human with minimal effort. If serving ice cream for a party, plan ahead and get a tub of the stuff at a grocery store. Place that tub under hot water for about 15 to 30 seconds. Flip that container directly over onto a plate. It looks amazing. It's a really brilliant way to serve a cool treat on a hot day. If you're looking for a little outdoor fun and don't have a cooler, then try this ancient cooling tin. Check your garage or yard for some spare terracotta pots. You need one to be larger than the other. Scoop some sand into the large one and then place the little one right inside. Now fill those gaps up with a bit more sand until everything is packed in nice and tight. The sand will work as an insulator and keep things cool on the inside. Put the cooler directly in the sun and cover it with a towel and then soak it with water. Once the water begins evaporating, it'll cause a chilling effect on the inside, which can drop the temperature significantly. This will allow you to keep your food and drinks nice and cool, even in the most sunny of conditions. Make some simple slushies with juice packs. Just pick out your favorite flavor and freeze the pouches for several hours or overnight. Cut the top off